everyone, my name's Ethan and welcome to ZoomersRV. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2906WS. Let's waste no time and get right into it. If you look outside of the Rockwood Ultralight, a few things you'll notice is one, comes with an enclosed underbelly, a rear access ladder, an upgraded 15,000 ducted AC, 50 amp service with a second AC prep, pre-wiring for a backup camera and solar power, 2 power awnings, and a bicycle carrier. This ultralight grosses at under 9,000 pounds, while still being able to provide a large amount of floor space due to the large opposing slides and additional wardrobe slide out. Here we are in the interior of the unit. First things first, we have our slide out and awning controls. Secondly, you'll see this nice wood grain looking floor, along with a freestanding dining table. Here we also have black leather theater seating and a couch that folds out to a trifold bed. We also have adjustable day and night shades. For when it's brighter, you can pull this down and it provides even more shade. In the entertainment area, you have a full HD 1080p TV with a soundbar, controls, and an LED fireplace, which is always awesome. Now moving over to the kitchen area, you have wonderful appliances and also an American maple interior, as well as tons of storage and a nice solid surface countertop. The sink here is also a double sink. As well as that, like I said, there's tons of storage in this kitchen area. Here as we move to the front of the unit, first door here is a bathroom. Toilet comes with a foot flush pedal. As well as that, the sink has a hard countertop with a medicine cabinet. Here we have the shower. Shower comes equipped with a skylight, which is always an awesome feature, especially in a bathroom. Here this wall shuts for maximum privacy, leading into the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom. First thing you'll notice is this nice Serta bed, overhead cabinetry, as well as a place to install a bedroom TV. Moving to the left side here, you also have a large amount of wardrobe space. This wardrobe space is all thanks to the wardrobe slide. As you can see, tons of room for your clothes and other things. The 2906WS. You can find this unit and other units at ZoomersRV.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.